Good morning, all. I am Tanglashmi from MCA department. My topic is privacy protection in interactive content-based image retrieval. It is helpful for the store the image in a cloud with security. My abstractions: privacy protection in content-based image retrieval is a research topic in cyber security and privacy. The state-of-art CBR systems usually adapt interactive mechanism. Three stages we have: private queries, private feedback, and local retrieval. Private queries perform with privacy comfortable, and then private feedback construct the feedback image set by introducing confusing classes following the K autonomous principle. Local retrieve finally re-rank the image in the user side. And then I use cloud computing in this project. Cloud computing is new form of internet-based computing that provides a shared computer processing resource and data to computer and other device on demand. The growing industry of cloud has provided a service paradigm of storage accommodation. Outsourcing help to reduce user burden of IT infrastructure maintenance and reduce the cost of the enterprise and individual. Three broad categories of cloud computing are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. We have let's discovery. The five topics are privacy, preserving content-based image retrieval in the cloud. Second one is an ID-based public key crypto systems based on integer factoring and double digital algorithm problems, enabling privacy preserving image centric social discovery, strong geometric consistency for large scale partial duplicate image service, and the fifth one is scalable recognition with the vocabulary tree. My existing system. Storage requirement for visual data have been increasing in recent years. Following this highly interactive multimedia service and application for mobile device in both personal and corporate scenarios, existing proposal in domain remains largely unpractically, acquiring fully homomorphism encryptions, and mobile client want to delegate to private image repository storage to a cloud provider while copying with the limitations of the device storage capabilities and computational powers and batteries. My demerits for the low level features, unserviceable for the general user. The required provider query in the form of image. Proposed system, it is based on IES ICBAR novel image encryption scheme that exhibit content-based image retrieval. Each repository is used as a multi-user. The both add own images or search image for using a query, and the creation of a repository generated a user and shared with the trusted user. In this, we use a WOW's bag of visual words representation to building a vocabulary tree and inserted list index of each repository. My merits are feature extraction methods are easy, effectively, and expensive. Time required is less to find all those related image. More than related outcomes occurred by only one researcher. My modules are create repository and upload image, codebook and index generation, add image or query to cloud, content based searching and retrieval. Let's see about these models. Create repository and upload image. In this module, repository storage a space of collections of data. Repository created by a single user. Owner is the repository. The owner is generate a key and by using the RSA algorithm shared to the key to the user who is trusted in, and repository can access by multiple users with the permission of a owner. Owner upload huge amount of image data set as zip file into cloud. And second module is code book and index generation. The admin of cloud has a responsibility to create document based on image which is useful for searching of image by user. And we extract the file and applying CBI encryption. And the color, value, texture, features, also shuffling the pixel is column wise as well as row wise. We create a codebook, index and image for those encrypted image and add image or query to cloud. User can ask the cloud, add their own image, and n number of users repository chance to increase rapidly. The repository has collections of n number of images in different domains. All images are stored in encrypted format for security. The user has to query to cloud. The query the format of encrypted image using CBI encryption technique. Content-based search and retrieval. After receiving encrypted image query, the cloud extract the features of an original image. Now applying content-based searching on the codebook and using index by that extract feature. Obviously, now searching result will be encrypted image. This resulted answer will send it to that responded using. Now the user can apply CBI description technique to decrypt the image. Answer will be very fine and delicious due to huge data set. My architecture diagram, owner, repository, user. The first step is the owner create a repository and provide a key for repository, and the owner share the key to the key to the user. The user can upload the image and create the repository key. My activity diagram is all just have same process. Sequence diagram also have the same process. Owner, user, cloud, and then collaboration diagram. My software requirement backend JDK server Tomcat and database MySQL ID NetBeans. Hardware requirement are 500 GB and 4 GB RAM, process IE and above, OS Windows. Algorithm used RSA and then AES. Technologies J2EE, Java, HTML. My screenshot for my project is this is a register page for user registration. Login for the admin. First step image repository and then repository creator. Create repository key, share it key, upload the zip file and then extract the zip file, and then code book created. The code book is created and then index created, index also created, and then image key also created. Login for the user. Next add image and then add the image in the site and query image is run, and then encrypted image, the query to cloud queue, the resulted image, decrypt the image, the result is displayed. Conclusions. This purpose we use secure framework of the privacy preserving outscored storage such as retrieval of large scale dynamically updated image repository. We formally analyze the security of the purpose. Additional experimental evaluations of implemented prototype shows that our approach achieve an interesting trade-off between a precious and recall in CBR. Future enhancement. In future, we work plan to accelerated orthogonal issues in our web design such as key sharing, user access control, and reliability. We also plan to investigate our methodology. Thank you. Good morning guys, this is my project demo video. First you go to the Chrome and type this localhost localhost is and there was Apache Camp Tomcat. The click manager app, username admin, and then password, put password, sign in. There was on home page of foundations, CBIR Smith project. First be registration for the owner. Username is Sita Lashmi, and then put password, type the password, retype the password, and put valid email ID, and then put contact number with 10 digit decimal number. And this registration for owner role. We registered for the owner. Next, go to the home and registration for the user. The username is you put username and then password same like a owner. Retype the password and then email, put valid email ID. And put the contact number. This registration for user, and click register. Go to the home. Now is a login process. First login is owner. Owner name is Sita Lashmi, and then put password. Role of this owner, login. The owner duties: create image repository. Here named repository is rep. Create repository. The repository is created. See on the top, and then create a repository key. The key is created. Now share the repository to the user. Click share, and then repository is shared with the user. Now we upload a zip file. Choose this file, some amount of zip file in that. CBIR, I have some folders in that, so I put some zip file with a bunch of image. Open it and then upload. The zip file is uploaded. Next, log out the owner and log in. Next step is login for the admin. Sorry. Login. Admin process. Extract the zip file. First, we previously upload the zip file. No, that extract successfully and create code book. The code book is created and create index. The index is created successfully and create image key. This also created successfully. These are created successfully. Next, log out the admin and log out the user. Next, log into the user. Username and then put password. Role is user and login. Here we have 3 steps. Add image. Add any image in your JPG files. What kind of image you add? I add one image. That's successfully. and then query image. In this we choose here one image. If you want, like, what image you choose. I choose one doll image. Open. Now encrypt the image. The image is encrypted. Query to cloud. And open the home page. Now resulted the image. Is decrypt the image or encrypted it. Now we decrypt the image. Now we have similar doll of the zip file. We found it. This is our project. Thank you.